So as usual, we'll start with a slip knot. So we make a circle and we pull the thread under the circle. We will chain 15. 1, 2, 3. Here is my 15 chain. We will be working only with single crochet, so from the second chain, on the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. If you are new to single crochet, I'll put the link for beginners on how to single crochet and how to make a single crochet piece like we're gonna do for this one. So I will be working on the opposite side, this one where I started my chain. I will chain 1 and I will take this thread along so I secure it while working. So I'll chain 1 and then 1 single crochet in the beginning of my work here. And 1 single crochet in every chain where we started the foundation chain. So this will be the base of my mattress. This is my last, and then I'll chain 1 and join in the first single crochet stitch. So this is my base where I'll start working in rounds. It's very similar to when you're making a pouch, but we're making something different. Okay, so what you need to know from now on, we'll be working in rounds this way for 15 rows. So we will not be chaining 1 from now on. I'll just make from the joining point, I will make 1 single crochet. We'll be working in spiral till the end of our work. So you can put a stitch marker here to see where your work ends in every row, but if you're confident without it, that's fine. So now 1 single crochet in the next stitch and in every stitch till you reach row 20, and then we will come back and see what we will do next. Okay, so here I have finished my 20th row, and now I'll start filling my mattress with the fiber filler. So I'm using small strands to fill it slowly. I have to make sure that all the spaces are even. Okay, now I will start closing my mattress before adding more fiber for the mattress to complete. So okay, I'm gonna complete my last round of single crochet here. So this is the last side. Okay. Now with my work facing me, I'm gonna make a slip stitch to close the mattress. So you insert your hook into the first side and extend it to the next side, and then pull your yarn through all the loops. You'll continue doing the same until you finish closing your work. You have to make sure that both sides are aligned together to ensure your work is even. Okay, so now before we finish, I have to make sure that the mattress is looking even in all sides, so I'll be adding more filler or fiber filler inside. So and now I'll complete closing. Okay, and this is the last stitch where I'll make my slip stitch, and that's it. Now I'll fasten off, and then I'll sew the thread in between the last stitches, so I get my mattress completed. So this is our mattress. This is one of the simplest way. It's not complicated. There are a lot of different ways and more advanced ones, but I wanted to show you and share with you this for beginners in case you want to make a mattress for your doll or anything. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to make a blanket for the mattress and a pillow as well. I hope you liked this simple tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.